Hey gardeners, ever thought your next head of lettuce could come from kitchen scraps? It's simpler than you think and so rewarding. We're turning humble lettuce ends, the parts you'd toss, into a mini garden right on your balcony or windowsill. So grab a coffee, get cozy, and let's bring a little green magic into your home. First step, pick the right lettuce. Romaine, butterhead, or leaf lettuce all regrow well. Choose what you love to eat. It makes caring for your mini garden more rewarding. At the store, look for fresh, healthy bases. This simple choice is where your garden begins. Don't toss that lettuce base. Cut about 2 inches from the bottom and place it cut side up in a shallow dish with just enough water to cover the base. Mix and match different types for a colorful windowsill display. Change the water every couple of days. Watch for new roots and leaves. Nature's magic right in your kitchen. This is where the anticipation starts to build. Place your lettuce scraps in bright, indirect sunlight. Think a north-facing window or gentle morning sun. Keep the temperature cool, around 60-70 degrees Fahrenheit. Change the water regularly and mist the leaves if your home is dry. Grouping with other plants can boost humidity. These little touches help your lettuce thrive. When roots reach 2 to 3 inches, it's time for soil. Use a pot 6 to 8 inches deep with drainage holes and fill with quality potting soil. Gently plant the lettuce base, keeping new leaves above the soil. Pat the soil lightly and water well. Now, real growth begins. Water gently after transplanting, then every few days as needed. Check soil moisture with your finger. If it's dry an inch down, it's time to water. Water at the base, not the leaves, to prevent disease. Let excess water drain away. Keep soil moist but not soggy. Think damp sponge. Feed your lettuce every 2 to 4 weeks with a gentle organic fertilizer like compost tea or seaweed extract. Follow label instructions for dilution. Watch for pale leaves. They may need more nutrients. A little feeding keeps your plants healthy and productive. Happy plants mean more delicious greens. Harvest time. When outer leaves are 4-6 inches, snip them near the base, leaving the center to regrow. Use the cut and come again method for continuous harvests. Enjoy fresh greens straight from your windowsill or balcony. There's nothing like the taste of homegrown lettuce. Check your plants often for pests. Look under leaves and along stems. Remove pests with a strong spray of water or use gentle organic solutions like neem oil. Keep the area tidy and ensure good air circulation. Healthy plants are naturally more resilient. When your lettuce is done, compost the remains to enrich your soil. Sometimes you can regrow from the same base again. Use trimmings in soups or stir-fries. Nothing goes to waste. Every part has a purpose in this sustainable cycle. From kitchen scrap to vibrant green, regrowing lettuce is simple, sustainable, and joyful. Try it yourself. Find a sunny spot, grab a lettuce base, and start your green adventure. Even small changes bring beauty and nourishment to your life. Happy growing, y'all!